friends, I am Safarpreet from 9th CBSE studying in SHVM Fazilka. Today in this video we are going to discuss Cartesian plane.
So let's begin. You all know that this is a Cartesian plane and a Cartesian has four quadrants. This one is first, and this one is second and third and fourth. Okay, and the first quadrant has both positive sign and second has one negative and one positive. Third has both negative and fourth has one positive and one negative. So we can call y ordinate and x abscissa, and this is x and this is x dash. So this is the x axis, this is y dash. So this is the y axis. So friends, the system we have discussed above for describing a point in a plane is only a convention which is accepted all over the world. The system could also have been, for example, the ordinate first and the abscissa second. However, the whole world sticks to the system we have described to avoid any confusion. Hello friends, these three questions are some basic questions that can ask from you. First is, what is the name of the horizontal and the vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane? So friends, you know that this is a horizontal line and this is a vertical line. So horizontal line is of x-axis and vertical line is of x-axis. So its answer is the x and y-axis. So its answer is the x and the y-axis. Now what is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? As I told you earlier that there are four quadrants in a Cartesian, so its answer is quadrants. So next question is, write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. So friends, this is origin, okay, where two lines intersect. So that point is known as origin. So the answer of this question is origin. So we are given this table and we have to plot all these points on this Cartesian plane. Now first point is -2 and 8. So we are given this table and we have to plot all these points on this Cartesian plane. Now first point is -2 and 8. So you know this is the quadrant of both positive sign and this is the quadrant of one negative and one positive. Okay, and we are given that one negative and one positive. So we plot this in this quadrant. Here -2 is here and 8 is here and 8 is here. So we plot this point and this point first here and here. So this point is -2 and 8. If we have to give this a name, then like I give this a name A. So our next point is -1 and 7. So this is also lie in second quadrant because its first point is negative and second is positive. So here -1 is here and 7 is here. So this point is -1 and 7 and I can give it a name of B. So our next point is 0 and -1.25 and you know that fourth quadrant is of first negative and second negative. So this point is lie in the fourth quadrant. Now we can see here that here x is 0 and y is -1.25 and these points are lie in fourth quadrant. As you know that if x is 0 then the another point and the x point is lie on y, and if y axis is 0 then the both point is lie on x axis. So here x is 0 then these both points are lie on y axis. And where is 1.25? Here is 1.5 and here is 1.25. This point is 0 and -1.25. So we can give this a name of C. So our next point is 1 and 3. So both points are positive. As you know that both positive points are lie in first quadrant. So here 1 is here and 3 is here. So this point is known as 1 and 3 point. So we can give this a name of D. So our next point is 3 and minus 1. Here this is positive and this is negative. So positive negative points lie in the fourth quadrant. So here we can see that positive x-axis is positive. So here positive 3 is here and negative minus 1 is here. So this point is known as 3 and minus 1. We can give this the name of E.
So friends, I hope that you understand it very well, and thanks for watching my video.